Hello, this is Caitlin Martin. I am from New York. I am a kindergarten special education teacher, and I teach in a co-taught classroom with a general ed teacher for about 15 students. And again, this is my third year. I also am a JV girls volleyball coach for Olean, so that's another thing that I do outside of school to try to help students in my area to understand how to be more independent and to be more responsible and things like that. Sorry for my voice. My dad's basketball team, the Lady Gators from Allegheny Limestone, went to states, and we all went to support him, and I may have yelled a little lot more than I should have. So, don't mind my voice. People that have been the most influential in my life would be my dad would be number one, or mom and dad would be one and two. I've always been there. They've done everything they can to help shape me as a person, to be the best person I can be as an educator and as a person outside of school. I learned a lot of values and how much family really means, and that's huge. My sisters, I have three older sisters. They've been quite the impact on me in my life. Again, I wouldn't be the person I am without the family that I have, and I'm lucky that I've had such a great family and been able to do a lot of things because they've been backing me since I was little. Good times, bad times, rough times, easy times. They've always been there. Even if it's just to help celebrate with me or to help me during a rough time. I mean, they've just been amazing, and I can't ask for better people in my life. With my personality test, I think it was really accurate talking about the different things that were factors in my life, so the 5 separate sections, and I scored very high in agreeableness. I'm somebody that likes to make other people happy. I think with kindergarten teaching, I think that that's something that is a good quality to have, because you really want to just better the kids, but you also want to make them have an enjoyable time, because some kids in my school and whatnot, they have very rough home lives, and it's hard sometimes, and you just have to be that rock for them and be that like happy place that they want to go to. And a lot of my kids love to come to school because they love that we have such a good connection with them, and we're almost like a family figure in the school. So that's great. And then another one I scored high on was imagination and intellect. And again, as a kindergarten teacher, I think you kind of need to have those things to be able to do the best you can with having 5-year-olds. And I love it. It's amazing. The leadership styles that I would be talking about would be the authentic leadership style is the first one. And that's basically doing everything you can to involve people in your decision making and have them understand what's going on and doing the best for everybody. So you're not just focused on you. And that's 100% me. I focus on other people, and I want to make sure that whatever's being done is going to be best for everybody. The negatives for that is something like you may view other people's judgments or what they do as not being right just because of the fact that you don't think it involves everybody's best interest. I can see how that wouldn't be very good, but the other one would be the participative leadership style, and that's basically giving everybody the information and being able to take that to a vote and then deciding on the majority's vote. In school, that can be great to do with just teachers, but it's kind of hard having a principal that he's very involved in everything, and he's phenomenal. But he would have the biggest decision of all. If we picked one side, he could still go the other way. But I believe that one's also another negative about that one would be that would take a lot of time to have to give all the information out, have everybody vote, and then have everybody's voice heard to decide on something. But I truly believe that my personality test connects with my views of leadership. And I can't wait to go through this course with everybody. Let's have a good time.